Espresso machines are the aeroplane cockpit of coffee makers, a wall of buttons, dials, and levers that can baffle anybody at first glance. But strip it back and there are really just 8 key parts. Once you know what each one does, it all makes sense. First, the group head. It sends hot water from the machine into the coffee basket below, and it is where your espresso is actually brewed. The portafilter is that metal basket on a handle. It holds the ground coffee while water passes through, pouring pure espresso from its spouts. Underneath sits the drip tray, catching stray drips and spills to keep your worktop tidy. It slides out, so give it a regular clean. The hot water tap pours near boiling water straight from the tank, so you can make Americanos and black coffees without boiling a kettle. The pressure gauge, sometimes called the sight glass, shows the boiler's pressure and temperature. Think of it as a health check for your machine. Middelschel is milkglaasje. The steam wand heats and froths your milk. Dip it into the jug, open the dial, and it whips up cappuccinos and lattes. Up top is the bean hopper, storing whole beans above the built-in grinder. Its adjustable burr ring makes your grounds finer or coarser. On commercial machines, you will find a doser chamber beside the grinder. Its buttons drop a neat single or double dose into the portafilter. From group head to doser chamber, every part plays one simple role, working together to turn plain beans into a perfect golden espresso. So that cockpit of buttons is friendlier than it looks. For full reviews and buying guides, head to Simply Electricals and subscribe for more.